Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Camp 508 is taught to 6th semester student of chemistry. These contents some of these contents may also be very useful, very important for learning point of view to student of Camp 402. Few articles, few topics are overlapped to then student of 4th semester, 6th semester both may get benefit. Preferably these course contents are for student of 6th semester, student of 6th semester, analytical chemistry 508. Spectrum, polychromatic light, monochromatic light, resolution, dispersion of light, quantum spectrum, line, atomic spectrum, absorption spectrum, emission spectrum. These headings will be covered in this lecture. First of all, spectrum. Spectrum simply is a band. Is a display, is a range of visible and invisible electromagnetic radiations. Spectrum is a set of electromagnetic radiations which may be visible or it may be invisible. So simple. A spectrum is a band, a spectrum is a display, a spectrum is a range, a set of electromagnetic radiations. Simple as that. For example, when we say a line, light means radiation, means electromagnetic radiations. When it is said monochromatic light, it is very clear. Mono mean single, chrome mean color, light. Here it means a radiation and electromagnetic radiation of definite wavelength, energy, frequency. Monochromatic light, A light means electromagnetic radiation of definite wavelength. Say a radiation of 400 nanometer wavelength, a radiation of 750 nanometer wavelength, a radiation of 7,500 angstrom wavelength. A radiation of 6,300 angstrom wavelength means 750 nanometer, 630 nanometer wavelength. When we say A radiation, when we say A line, when we say monochromatic light, when we say polychromatic light, poly mean more than one, chrome mean color. A radiation, now it is mistakenly said A radiation. No, radiations हमने जमा बोला है, radiations of different wavelengths. Polychromatic light, such light, such radiation, set of such radiation, band of such radiations which consist of different wavelengths. White light, सूरज की रोशनी, ट्यूब लाइट, बल्ब लाइट. This is polychromatic light. It is not a single radiation. There are many radiations present in white light, a beam of white light. रोशनी, white light, polychromatic light, रोशनी, sunlight, tube light, bulb light. It is not a single radiation. How it is determined? White light consists of different radiations. Dispersion devices. Prism or diffraction gratings. These are known as dispersion devices. When white light a beam of white light falls, bombard, strike on the surface of prism, then this white light is split into 7 type of colored visible light. Seven color of visible light. Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Vibgyor. 7 color of visible light. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Some radiations are not visible, which have different wavelengths. Only a part of their spectrum, set of different radiations, set of display of range of radiations are visible. These are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And such radiations which have lower wavelength, which have more frequency than violet, are known as ultraviolet, and the radiations which are having greater wavelength are low frequency, low energy as compared to red. These are called infrared. So overall, there are many radiations. Our eye can see only few radiation. So this is visible spectrum. This is invisible spectrum. In visible spectrum, set of radiations which have high frequency, which have very low wavelength, which have very high energy as compared to violet. Similarly, the radiations which have greater wavelength than red, which have lesser frequency than red, which are having very low energy than red, are known as infrared. Infrared, UV. Further, UV may be further classified as far UV, vacuum UV, near UV. Further, X-rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays. Similarly, IR, infrared, then microwave, radio waves, microwaves. So our eyes can see set of very few radiation. This set comprise of violet to red. Normal range of these radiation 3 nanometer to 800 nanometer. The visible spectrum, the radiation which fall in visible spectrum, their wavelength may range from 380 nanometer to 800 nanometer. In many books, it is written as 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Apart from these radiation, other radiation cannot be seen by naked eye. So whether it is prism or diffraction grating, when polychromatic light fall on the device split up these radiation according to their wavelength. Now when these radiations are resolved, dispersed, separated, when these radiations are split up, are separated, resolved, then which radiation we need? Here is wavelength selector. So a wavelength selector, a filter, a wavelength selector, a monochromator is placed, which select a particular radiation. When we use a monochromator, so if we need violet, there are many radiations as 300 to 420 nanometer वेवलेंथ रेंज की जो रेडिएशन है ये वायलेट में. सिमिलरली 630 नैनोमीटर से 750 नैनोमीटर की जो रेडिएशंस हैं ये रेड रेंज में फॉल करती हैं. तो अब इनमें हर रेडिएशन अलग अलग वेवलेंथ की वजह से एक दूसरे से मुख्तलिफ एनर्जी रखती है. यू कैन सेलेक्ट द डिजायर्ड रेडिएशन बाय monochromator. So when we study the lambda max of a compound, we scan, we select, we rotate monochromator and desired radiation is selected. So spectrum is a set of radiation, is a display of radiation, is a band of different wavelength. Carnot spectrum. Carnot spectrum is that spectrum in which there is no gap, there are no spaces, radiations are diffused, radiations very close to each other. It looks like a particular band. Common example is after rain, few drops of vapor suspend in atmosphere. When light passes through those drops of water, those drop of water may act like a prism that resolve the white light, sunlight into 7 different radiations. There is a strip of red, there is a strip of orange, there is a strip of yellow, there is a strip of green, there is a strip of, you can say, blue, indigo, and similarly violet. But these are diffused. We say when yellow and red, these are not distinguished from each other. Yellow is gradually, its color is, its intensity is decreasing, and red color is intensity is increasing. And there are, you say, very difficult to distinguish, to separate red from, you can say, from yellow. There are some intermediates, the radiation which exhibit the color that fall in red, that fall in yellow range, and we say it is orange, yellowish red, orange, reddish yellow. Similarly, green, fast green, royal green, lemon green, apple green, पैरट ग्रीन. अब ये जो कलर हैं ये येलो और ग्रीन के दरमियान में, तो इनकी इंटेंसिटी जो है रेडिएशन की वेरी करती है. फास्ट ग्रीन, डीप ग्रीन, रॉयल ग्रीन, उससे ग्रेजुअली ये शिफ्ट हो रही है टुवर्ड्स येलो, और येलो की अपनी रेंज है. सो इफ दीज radiations are bombarded, strike on a very fine, a very, you can say, अलग किस्म की जो डाइफ्रैक्शन ग्रेडिंग है जिसके अंदर ग्रूव्स हैं, उसको फॉल करेगी तो वो इनको स्प्लिट कर देगी. फिर जो रेडिएशन आपको सेलेक्ट करनी है, जिस रेंज की करनी है, जिस वेवलेंथ की करनी है, जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी करनी है, आप उसको सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज इस तरह से होगा वायलेट कंटीन्यूअस, इंडिगो कंटीन्यूअस, देन ए स्ट्रिप ऑफ ब्लू, देन स्ट्रिप ऑफ ग्रीन, देन स्ट्रिप ऑफ येलो, देन स्ट्रिप ऑफ orange, then strip of red, and these are invisible, these additions are invisible. So among red you may select by monochromator a radiation of 700 nanometer. That is selected when we scan, when we use a monochromator. So in this base, when we say Carnot spectrum, in which radiations are intermingled or diffused gradually move to more intense region. Line spectrum is single radiation, a radiation of definite wavelength. Say, this is a radiation of 630 nanometer. There is gap. This is another radiation 631 nanometer. Again gap. There is a radiation of 632 nanometer. Again gap. So this gap separate these radiation. This is called atomic radiation. This is called line. This is called A light. This is called A radiation. This is called line spectrum. Now, when we characterize different radiation and different substances, say a substance may absorb a radiation of 650 nanometer. The same substance may also absorb a radiation of 650 nanometer. Another substance may also absorb, the same substance may also absorb a radiation of 700 nanometer. When we observe different absorption phenomena, which radiations, at which radiation a substance, when this is selected, when this is selected, when this is selected, at which radiation the substance show more absorption. The radiation is the characteristics radiation, the radiation by which a substance may be distinguished, the radiation by which we may quantify, we may determine the amount of a substance. We not only identify, we may also quantify. We not only determine the quality of radiation, we also determine the mass, quantity, मिकदार. सिर्फ हम यही नहीं कहते कि सब्सटेंस जो है, ये सब्सटेंस ये रेडिएशन पर हो तो ये ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्बेंस शो करता है, तो उस एब्जॉर्बेंस के रेफरेंस से हम उस सब्सटेंस को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. ना ये, बल्कि हम उस एक ख़ास रेडिएशन पर अगर वो ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्बेंस शो करता है तो हम उसकी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी आसानी से बेहतर तरीके से डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं. For example, here is a substance. These radiations fall on this substance. This substance has tendency to absorb the characteristics radiation by which this substance is characterized. This substance does not absorb A, this substance does not absorb D, this substance absorbs B and C. So here, when these radiations are passed to that substance, then A and D, these radiations are not held. These radiations are transmitted. These radiations are emitted. So, absorbed radiations are B and C. So, from this absorbed radiation, we determine which type of a substance is present, because this substance has capability to absorb the known radiation. So these radiations are the characteristic radiation. So this substance is distinguished by the absorption of radiation. So here, when these radiations are held, there will be dark lines. There are no radiations, dark lines. If and A and D, here are bright lines, because these are not held. So from absorbed radiations, we may identify the type of substance present. Similarly, when this substance is irradiated, many radiations are held by this substance and many are not held. From emitted radiation, from transmitted radiations, we may distinguish the type of substance present. The other thing is, if we heat a substance, say sodium chloride, when this substance is heated in hot flame, golden yellow radiations are emitted. When this substance, potassium chloride, is heated, violet radiations are emitted. When this substance is heated, grass green, apple green radiations are emitted. So how this emission has taken place? When this substance is heated in hot flame, electrons pick some heat and go from low energy level to high energy level. When they go from low energy level to high energy level, when these electrons come to ground state, to low energy level, these electrons emit some radiation. Those radiation fall in some definite region. Those may be color or colorless. From color, a particular color, we distinguish the type of substance present. From golden yellow, if color is golden yellow, if color is important for name golden yellow, we say substance may be sodium or sodium salt. Similarly, if violet, then it is said potassium or potassium salt. Apple green, barium or barium salt. So from emitted radiation, a spectral views, spectral lines. Line mean radiation. From spectral lines, from radiation, from color of spectral lines, it is said as which type of substance is present.